This lesson is on deposits. So deposits are really important for two reasons. One, we want customers to actually show up. If we're going to reserve the hotel and give you 100 rooms for 3 nights next June, we want a really strong commitment on your part, and that transforms itself into us asking you for a deposit. The second part of the deposit that's really important is cash flow. The hotel needs to have cash coming in all the time. And the last thing about deposits that seems kind of foreign when we talk about it is deposits are actually a liability. And why are they a liability? Well, we haven't earned the income yet. That deposit may need to be refunded to the customer if they don't show up. So they're a liability until we earn the income for the business associated with that deposit.